Oh my goodness gracious, I am in Fort Worth, Texas.
Fort Worth is super close to Dallas. So close, it's known as Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. While Dallas is known for its big city living, Fort Worth has its roots in the cattle trade.
I was honestly expecting cows and horses. I'm not gonna lie.
I haven't even seen one cowboy. It's filled with gorgeous young people, like my newest winner, Nick. He's a full-time poker player and flips houses on the side, with help from his wife, Katie. But he needed a big win to get the dream home wheels in motion.
And winning just under $300,000, that escalates life. They can now buy that family home they so always have wanted. This is gonna be a heck of a lot of fun. Oh my gosh, come here.
Hi.
Aren't you guys the cutest Texan couple?
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, David.
Nice to see you guys.
You too.
So
Thank you very much.
excited.
We're glad you're here. We need your help. So.
Do you? Because this house looks amazing. Show me around.
It's actually a short-term rental.
Oh, it's so cute. I love it.
Thank you.
Good taste. Congratulations. Who won the money?
Thank you very much. I did.
All right. How much did you win?
It's $288,000. It was a poker tournament in Las Vegas.
Are you a poker player?
I am.
Professional?
Yes.
How do you feel about that?
You know, it's
Not traditional.
yes.
Where you like it's about time.
Yes, definitely.
What do you do when you're not playing poker?
We actually flip houses. We flipped 3 houses. Did pretty decently on them.
That's wonderful. Why are you not flipping your house right now, like to your dream home?
We have 3 kids.
You have no time.
Yes.
And you just want me to come in and find it for you?
Yes.
Well, I am thrilled. Why don't you guys give me a tour? I say we start in the kitchen, because the
Sounds
kitchen's great.
Sounds good. So we like the kitchen, but it's a little bit small for us.
Are we going with that traditional Texas big house?
Yes.
Yes, I love this.
They're gonna need it. This rental has just 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And I think we can improve on this play area for their 3 small kids.
So far, what I've gathered is that you want a big house.
Yes.
Like how big? How many square feet are you looking?
Something over 2,500
Okay.
would be really nice.
So how many bedrooms?
We could do 4 or more.
Because the girls are gonna share, correct,
Yes,
for a while?
yes.
Bathrooms?
3?
3 or more.
3 or more, the more the better.
Yes.
How much money are we spending?
Between 550 and 6.
All right.
Yeah. We have some money in our house that we just sold.
Right.
Yes.
That'll buy you a big Texas house here in
Yes.
Fort
Oh,
Worth.
Nick and Katie grew up in Fort Worth, but they know their money will go further just outside the city in places like Aledo. The houses are big and varied in style.
And I found them a really wonderful older home built in 1947.
West Cliff Estate is just 15 minutes from downtown Fort Worth.
It's a well-established neighborhood, super quiet, very chill, a great place to raise a family. Yep, adorable, so cute.
Thank you.
How are you guys doing today?
Good, how are
how are you?
you?
I'm doing fantastic. What do you guys think of the neighborhood?
It's so cute.
It's great. I actually grew up, my childhood home was like 3 blocks that way.
Shut up.
It is.
Did you ride your bike up and down the street?
I did.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
That's so neat.
It's very exciting, yeah.
Let me tell you a little bit about West Cliff Estate. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, 2,456 square feet.
Perfect.
Sits on a little over 1/3 of an acre, so it's got some space.
Great.
And the price is right at $545,000.
Oh,
great,
wow, that's
yeah.
really good.
Wow.
Oh, wow, it's so nice.
Looks great. They did a great job.
I love the ceilings. It's probably one of my favorite things throughout this
That's what I was
living
going
room.
to say. They're
Yeah.
so gorgeous.
Yeah.
I like the floors too, the wood floors.
Floors are
Very nice.
beautiful.
They are
all been
beautiful.
refinished throughout the entire first floor, and they're absolutely stunning.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to show you where the kids are going to lay their heads because simply they rule the roost in your world. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are 2 big bedrooms on the first floor, next to a full bathroom.
It's such a good size.
Oh yeah, it'd be great for the kids.
And I love the tile.
Looks like some of the flooring you did on some of our flip houses. Looks great.
Nice.
So cute.
Right in keeping with your style.
Yes.
Perfect.
When the twins get a little older, there's a gorgeous renovated attic space with 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom.
Isn't this amazing?
I love
Yes.
this.
They'll
Yeah.
never have to leave.
I love
That's
that.
perfect.
We'll just come up to them.
Exactly.
Yes.
I don't think you'll have a choice.
For a house built in 1947, the kitchen scrubs up pretty well. Although it's remodeled, it has all the original character that you can't get in a new build.
I love the cabinets, and the pools are so nice.
And I believe their original cabinets just painted, crown molding, and hardware put on.
Oh, wow.
Okay, great.
It's so nice to come in here and have everything completely done, not put in any money into anything.
All right.
Sounds great to me.
Yes.
And here is the master bedroom.
Oh, it's
wow.
so
Big
nice.
space,
It's
yeah, it's
beautiful.
great.
Oh, I love the beams on the ceiling.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
And the shape of the ceiling, super interesting.
Oh, yeah.
It's fun.
Check out the master bath.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Huge.
Wow. Big bath and a massive walk-in shower.
I love the shower. That's so nice.
And behind it is a big walk-in closet. Big enough for all of your clothes.
Oh, perfect.
Fantastic.
That's awesome.
And maybe a few of your shorts.
Okay, maybe.
Let's go check out the outside.
Okay.
There's a lot of usable space out here. Perfect for entertaining.
Oh my
wow.
gosh, it's gorgeous.
Isn't this fun?
It is.
I love it.
And then we have our outdoor kitchen here.
That's for you.
Yes,
And of course, we have this amazing pool.
It's beautiful.
it is great.
So I wonder if we'd have to like put a gate around it or
Yeah, I
something.
could probably put a gate on.
There's still a ton of room for a swing set or like a play set.
Agreed. How'd I do with this house?
Excellent.
It's great, yeah.
What could I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
I think maybe a little bit more space.
A little bigger, probably.
You need to go to that Texas big moment, right?
Yes.
Creekview Manor is in a master planned community about 20 miles west of Fort Worth. Now, these newer homes are built huge, but there's one small compromise. The lot size is much smaller than yesterday, just at 8,700 square feet. Bigger house, less land, with a great view. Options, options, options. Hello, hello.
Hi.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Doing fabulous, thank you. What do you guys think of this monstrosity?
It's definitely that big Texas
Yeah,
house that
very
we're
big
talking
Texas.
about.
All right, let me tell you about Creekview Manor. It's
Okay.
got 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's huge at 3,765 square feet.
Oh, wow.
That's really good.
Yeah.
But we're still right in budget at $593,000.
Oh, wow,
Fantastic,
that's
yeah.
awesome.
You get a lot for your money when you get a little bit outside of any major city, and
Yes.
especially Fort Worth.
Perfect.
Sounds great.
Take a
good.
look-see.
Let's do it.
I love the garage. It's not just a normal garage door. Stone is gorge, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It's huge, right?
It
is.
is. It's very open.
Very high ceilings, too.
Is this big enough for you and your family?
I think so.
Very open, very big.
A little glam, very up to date, and you know, it's Texas big. It's crazy,
The
right?
Texas big high ceilings.
This whole house is Texas big.
It is.
Especially over here in the kitchen. I mean, this island
Very large.
has its own zip code. This is a true open floor plan, with the kitchen opening directly onto the dining and living areas. These super high ceilings deliver grandeur and class, but I think we can make it a little cozier. Like, to me, some sort of stone or finish on the fireplace, maybe even the same on these 2 adjacent walls.
That would be
Yeah,
really
great.
neat.
That sounds
yeah.
great. Yeah.
Don't worry about how to get up there, that's what people are for. Scaffolding. Let's go into the master.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so big.
Isn't it
wow.
huge? They have a king-size bed in here, and there's still
That's
plenty of room
Lots
to
of
move
room.
around.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like this a little more open than yesterday too.
It's a little bit more breathing room.
Yes.
All right, why don't you guys go check out the master bath?
Okay.
Great.
It's really fun.
Wow, this,
Oh, wow.
This flooring is great. I love that color.
I love the bathtub. That's so nice.
Isn't it beautiful? All right, so we're gonna come into the master closet,
Oh wow, that's
Wow.
huge.
and the laundry is right over here.
Oh, great.
Oh wow,
Which
that's
is-
awesome.
We do a lot of laundry.
Which I'm sure, which is epic to me.
Oh my god.
Wow.
There's a ton of space in here.
This tile.
Yeah,
Oh, I
the color
know.
scheme in here is great, too.
I love that.
This is
Oh,
a
yeah.
big statement, and it works so well in a space like this.
Makes it a
does.
little bit more fun.
Yeah.
There's another bedroom and a bathroom on the first floor, which is really great for parents with a baby, like Nick and Katie. Beautiful stairwell, right?
I love how wide the stairs are.
Upstairs, there's another great-sized bedroom and even a bonus room. It's really set up for family life up here.
Oh yes, I love this. Oh wow.
Isn't this great?
It's so gorgeous. It's huge back here.
The view is epic.
It's spectacular.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a big, huge plus,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Do you guys like the property?
Yes, it's
We
great.
do. It's very spacious, but it's a little bit far out for me.
Okay, I have
Okay.
one that's perfectly in mind.
Great.
Good.
Similar size, so we're gonna stick with the big Texas.
All right.
Okay.
So the house I'm showing them today, Willow Park Way, is closer to Fort Worth, but on the other side of the very same master plan community in Aledo. And I honestly love this house. The downstairs is my favorite of all 3 so far. I was like, yes, please.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Are you freezing?
A little bit.
How you guys liking this house?
It's super
Great.
cute. I love the outside
Big, just
of
like
it.
the last one.
Yeah, big.
Yes.
Big McMansion.
Yes.
Want to hear a little bit about Willow Park Way?
Please.
Yes.
All right, it's got 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms.
Oh, wow.
That's good.
Great.
It's our largest of homes at 3,769 square feet.
Wow.
And the price is really cool, $580,000.
Great.
that's really
yeah,
good.
Under budget. Great.
I'm very excited to show you.
I'm
We're
excited,
excited to see it. Yeah.
Get out of the cold and into the fabulous.
Yes,
Sounds
please.
great.
Come on in, guys.
Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous.
Oh, wow.
Good, right?
It's so big.
Yeah.
I love it.
Great.
This island's a little bit bigger than Creekview Manor, which I didn't think you could actually get bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't either. I like how the ceilings are still tall, but not as tall as yesterday.
Yeah, they're a lot more manageable. They're still dramatic and beautiful. It's just not quite so cavernous.
Right, exactly.
Just off the dining area, there's a huge bonus family room. And like yesterday, the master suite is on the first floor.
All right, come on into the master.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That's really
Good
nice.
space,
It's a good
yeah.
size.
Big.
It's a good size.
It's interesting that it's at the very front of the house.
Do you like that?
It's okay.
Right, it's not kind of ideal, but this master does go all the way back.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
When you check out the bathroom.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow.
It's so nice.
This flooring is great, too. I like this flooring.
It's a different shaped bathroom. It's nice and long. Check out the closet behind us, because I think you're gonna die.
Wow.
Oh,
That's
wow.
almost as big as the bedroom.
There's plenty of space here for everyone, including guests, and the kids can run riot in the backyard or upstairs in their bedrooms.
And just like yesterday, the homeowners have babies.
Oh, that's so cute.
Adorable, right?
Yes. I love how the room's set up. I think it'd be perfect.
Let's go check out the other bedrooms. All right, so we have a lovely landing here. We have a full-size bathroom here, which is adorable.
Oh,
and
perfect.
then another adorable room in here. Clearly,
Oh, that's
they have
so
lots
cute.
of kids. One more room.
Okay.
All right, so here is, again, another bonus room.
Oh, wow. This is huge.
great.
This is such a nice space.
This barn door is very cool.
Check and see what's behind it.
All right.
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, wow. That's a bathroom. I thought it was going to be like a closet or something. Very cool.
Lots of places for kids to really enjoy their space here.
Oh, yeah. I think
In our,
there's
in our current
plenty
house,
of
their
room.
stuff kind of just runs into everywhere, kitchen, living room. So
Right.
this would be great.
Got to get you out of there in something big.
Yeah,
Yes.
we do.
Want to see some more houses?
No. I think
Yeah. We have a tough decision already, so.
and I
we
love
have
that they're all
options.
move-in ready, that we
Yeah.
don't have to do anything, any renovations or
And
anything.
we're very ready to move, so move-in ready is great.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I know you guys are anxious to get into a big space, and let's go grab some lunch.
Let's do it.
Walking through these huge
Please do.
houses makes me starving. Up to you.
Oh, thank you.
I have to say, I love Fort Worth. Perfect place for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We love it.
You're not supposed to tell everyone about
I
it.
know. The gig is up.
Yeah.
Let's talk about all these wonderful homes. Now, I started you out with an older home, but just by happenstance was in the neighborhood you grew up in.
Yes, yeah, it's a
That
great neighborhood.
West Cliff Estate, our biggest property as far as land-wise, and our most inexpensive at $545,000.
I love the outside of the house and, of course, the mature trees.
The beams on the ceiling when you first walked in was
Yeah.
super
yeah.
nice.
The backyard was nice. It was completely finished. And then we did like how all the bedrooms in the house were on the same floor.
Right.
And it did have that upstairs that the girls could go up to eventually.
So then, Creekview Manor was a really fun house to look at. Brand new. That kitchen was so well designed.
I loved it.
Yeah.
We definitely liked how open it was.
Where that master bedroom and closet and laundry room met
Oh, that's
was how
perfect.
today's living needs to be.
We both really liked the backyard. It didn't have any neighbors.
So nice. I think the downside, probably only one bedroom plus the master was on the lower floor.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yep.
that is the downside for us.
And it's still the same master plan community. Willow Park Way, they almost look like a McMansion.
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. It felt very homey as soon as you walked in. We also really liked how there was that bonus room downstairs because I feel like we would really utilize that as
Yeah.
a playroom.
What were the key factors of you deciding the house that you wanted?
Something that we could grow into.
And we think that the pool right now is just kind of a deal breaker to where even if we built a fence, we wouldn't really feel comfortable with them being around pool.
All right, it's down to 2 houses. Tell me what you want. What house are we going for?
While we really liked the Willow Park house, I think we've decided on
Creekview.
Love it. I love that house for you guys. It
We're
is a
excited.
Yeah.
Beautiful home. spacious, more room for you to grow.
Yes.
And it was the most glamorous.
It was, definitely.
And you're kind of glamorous, aren't you?
She's a
I
little
try
glamorous.
to be, yeah.
I think we should go put an offer on this house.
Sounds good.
Get you into comfortability.
Yes.
We're really happy with the house we chose, and it's working out great for us.
I love that the master and the master bath are huge and that our closet is right next to the laundry room. Both of our families live near us.
Not a far drive at all, so they come over and see the girls and help out. We love having them around.
This house is amazing. And I just love David. I mean, he's wonderful.
Yeah, we were so fortunate to have him help us. The backyard space is amazing. We don't have any neighbors behind us.
It is just beautiful.
That's why I love it so much.
Yeah, I
Really?
love that we don't back up to anyone. To be able to go out there and just look out over something that's never going to be developed.
That was so good.
That was a really big thing for us.
You want to go to that park?